going to show you how to add an in effect in the Keynote app. First, we have to open up the app. And here we already have a presentation with a few slides and a few images inside of it. Let's say we want to add an animation to this image. We click on the image, then here we select build in under the animate part, and then we click on add an effect, and this is going to be the effect with which this image is going to enter our screen. Let's see, a drop or drift and scale. Iris. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.